when I hold the Thai pads, I want to put them together and hold them on the side of my body. For when he throws a right kick, it's going to be impacting on the side of my body. So I want to put the Thai pads together on the side of my body. So this is right kick. Again, now when he's kicking, I have to catch the kick and apply pressure onto the Thai pads. That's Thai pads for right kick. Now we're going to switch for left kick. Same idea. So I'm holding the Thai pad on the right side of my body, catching his left kick. Catch the kick, apply some pressure to the Thai pads. And that's holding Thai pads for body kicks.